2.9% year over year, and closed sales were up 5.1% at the end of this July. It's Friday, August 13th, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert, with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. Days on the market clocked in at 20 days, which is 42.9% higher than last year. So properties are staying on the market longer. And sales prices are up 8.9% overall in all zip codes. 21401 realized an 11.3% change and up 1.9% just from July. 21403 increased 12.4%. 21409 rose 8.3%. 21405 is up 43.2%. The average sold to list price has also dropped to 99.8 as some cooling has occurred since June. Tenants continue to compete for higher rentals, averaging $31.17 per month, and fewer affordable rentals are now available. This could change as properties with tenants behind due to COVID become available, which may also affect the resale market. Stay tuned for more details there. That's your Annapolis Market Snapshot for Friday, August 13th, 2021. Thank you so much for tuning in. Join me next week for another update and subscribe for new content. Stay cool this weekend. Take care.